Aloha boss. 47 in a beat, man. Yeah, sometimes many people haven't. You have to protect their families and their labor in a job. But I think it's very important to you and to your benefits, man. Yeah, you have to avoid COVID-19 in your family and in your labor. Thank you so much. Story yanjye, man. Twirinda COVID. Okay, ready go. Itekana iteka iyo ngeze mu kazi, nambara neza ngapfukamunwa, nkahasanga sanitize, nkakaraba neza mu ntoki, hagati yazo nkacishamo sanitize. Oye, iyo nsanze nayo nkaraba amazi meza n'isabune yabigenewe, nkinjira neza mu kazi kanjye nkatangira agakora. Ariko mu by'ukuri icyo nakibagirwa, nsigamo metero hagati yanjye abakozi banjye. Iyo turi mu nama dusigamo metero imwe hagati yacu, akazi kacu kakagenda neza. Covid, twirinde Covid, twirinde twirinde Covid. Iteka niyo ngeze mu rugo mvuye ku kazi nambaye agapfukamunwa. Iteka habona bonje twicaye neza muri salo, wa mwanya anagiburamo wa metero imwe hagati yacu, agapfukamunwa twembi tukambare. tukaganira baby. Ola umudamu wanjye twambara ubupfukamunwa, kereka ngenda tugiye kuryama kandi nabwo turirinda kubera ko tuba twakarabye neza. Covid. Iteka twirinde Covid kubera ko ari indwara mbi yandura buri hose. Waba uhumekeye umuntu cyangwa umukozeho Covid mama, Covid. Covid ni indwara mbi cyane, twese tubimenye man. Covid ni indwara mbi. Hambara agapfukamunwa neza, karaba mu ntoki n'isabune. Covid ni indwara mbi cyane. 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 Umva mugenzi wanjye ugira inama, irinde Covid kubera yuko mu gihe gito waba umaje kubura ubuzima. Irinde Covid, wambara agapfukamunwa, ukaraba mu ntoki n'amazi meza, metero imwe yubahirizwe hagati yawe na mugenzi wawe. Covid ni indwara mbi cyane. Covid ni indwara mbi cyane. Covid ni indwara mbi cyane. Iteka Covid ni indwara mbi cyane. 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 Aloha boss. 47 in a beat, man. Yes.